Understanding backup generator, an essential guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and important phrase in English, backup generator. Understanding this phrase is not only useful in everyday life but also gives insight into how English combines words to form new meanings. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of backup generator. Backup generator is a compound noun made up of two separate words, backup and generator. To fully grasp the concept, we'll first look at each word individually. Backup refers to something that serves as a support or reserve. It's commonly used in contexts where a secondary option is needed if the primary one fails. Generator, on the other hand, is a device that produces something, most commonly electricity. When combined, these words form a phrase that describes a machine providing a secondary source of power. The phrase, backup generator, is often used in situations where there's a need for a reliable power source in case the main electricity supply fails. This can be in hospitals, data centers, or even homes. Example 1. During the storm, the hospital's backup generator kept all essential equipment running. Example 2. We installed a backup generator at home to prepare for frequent power outages. These examples show how the phrase is typically used in everyday conversation. Understanding phrases like backup generator is crucial for English language learners as it demonstrates the ability to combine simple words to form compound nouns, grasp the concept of context-specific vocabulary, enhance comprehension and communication in real-life scenarios. I hope this video helps you understand what a backup generator is and how to use this phrase in your conversations. Remember, learning such practical phrases can significantly improve your English proficiency. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.